Hello everyone, my name is Liam and this is my channel, Liam's Game Reviews, my very first video. This is my father here, and I know my channel's name is Liam's Game Reviews, but we don't only do that, we also do critics, which are basically reviews, gameplays. We'll also be doing some vlogs, which is this technically a vlog?
Kind of, yeah.
Since you're grounded and can't play video games.
Yeah, can't really play video games. I get grounded. 12 hours after I got ungrounded. I'm stupid. Like and subscribe if you're stupid. If you're stupid too.
All right, what are we doing first?
So we're taste testing Sour Patch Kids cereal. This might look backwards to you. I have no idea. But they don't even look like actual Sour Patch Kids. They just look like
Kinda.
They just look like candy wrappers. They look like candy wrappers.
Liam, this thing's supposed to be a bowl of candy, okay? They're not even pretending to be healthy anymore.
Alright, so let's make us some bowls. Oh my god. I showed Dad that we were going to do this a couple nights ago, and he was so disappointed. He gave me that look that says, just why? We're also gonna be trying out another thing when we're done trying this out. It smells. It actually smells kind of good.
Smells like the candy.
Yeah.
All right. So.
You ready for the moment of truth?
Hey, cheers. Full face. Mm. You know, it's not as sour as the candy. It's a lot sweeter. Mm.
They're too crunchy. Sour does not go with milk.
This is true. This is true. Yeah.
I've just learned this, and I want to puke.
Yeah.
Oh, what sucks is I have to eat all of this. Now, why did you pour in so much? This is your fault. You poured in a ton. Why do you have to torture your son?
That was not my intention, but I'm kind of glad I did. It's fun.
Mom, you should try this.
Thank you, honey.
Oh.
Pray for me. Oh, so terrible. Oh, God. But you're right, it's not as sour. It's like initially a little bit sour. Like, it reminds me of a different cereal. What does it remind me of? Fruit Loops?
Oh.
But with like a tang.
Yeah.
It's like Fruit Loops with a little bit of wing.
You guys should try the gogurt now before you get too cold.
Oh, yeah. We're also trying out, these Sour Patch Kid Go-Gurts. I bet, hopefully they're not in
Cheers.
I don't know how you can cheers with that.
No.
Oh, sure. Blue raspberry isn't actually that bad.
Oh, yeah?
Can I try yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Not super sour.
Yeah, I taste raspberry yogurt. No big deal.
Yeah, if you don't like sour, this is for you. But this. No. But freaking this. Whether you like sour or not, don't try this. Sour does not go with milk.
Now you guys are both fans of the candy, right?
Oh, I
what
love
are
the
your
candy.
Okay, so what's your comparison, like, closest to the candy? What, like, how does it compare to the candies?
As far as the flavor goes, it definitely reminds me of the candy.
Yeah, this is just the flavors. It doesn't have the sourness.
Yeah.
This does have the sourness, but how is this supposed to look like a Sour Patch Kid?
It has the same like general outline.
Does it taste okay without milk? Like if you were just to eat some dry cereal?
They taste like crunchy Sour Patch Kids that are less sour.
No. It's less sour. It's definitely more sweet.
You know what they made me... Okay, this is what they remind me of. First, okay, bear with me. Stick with me here. Flintstone vitamins. How they always had kind of a kick to them.
Yeah.
And it kind of has the shape a little bit. Like I expect to find Fred Flintstone in one of those bowls.
Yeah, but they ended up looking like candy wrappers. Look at that. It looks like a candy wrapper.
Well, Liam, what's the final verdict? What's the final verdict?
This is okay. Just needs to be sour. Don't try it. I promise you, it's horrible. You do not want to try it. And also, this video is inspired by Stone Gremlin Productions, is it? Stone Gremlin Productions, a.k.a. Brad Jones.
Brad Jones, Brad Fries.
Brad Jones and Brad Tries. Stone Gremlin Productions, please do not sue us. This is simply just inspired. And plus, this is our first YouTube video. Alright, so I'll see you all next time. I'm pretty sure next video is going to be tomorrow. I have no idea. But me and my mom... Sorry, Dad.
What?
Sorry, Dad. Next video, we're not going to have you. Pout.
Okay.
Next video, it's going to be me and my mom reviewing Power Rangers.
I kind of like it.
You're weird.